Hello, my name is Shital Nawale. I am from Nagpur. I have completed my engineering in electronics and telecommunication. After that, I have 5.5 year experience, but there is no more growth and I am not satisfied with my job. So that's why I have decided to change my career field. So I discussed with my friend, one of my friend, and he guide me about data analysis. And after that, I decide to make career as a data analyst. So I am change my field. My journey started from 1 year as a data analyst, and today I am working as a data analyst in Trust Fintech Ltd. Nagpur. How should I start and where do I start? That was a real question for me. I searched many classes but there are many options for online. But I don't want to do online classes. So I discussed with my friend. So he told me about Python Academy, and I came in academy. So Anup sir guide me for data analysis course. There are overall course. So in this course, combined required all technologies like Python, SQL, machine learning, Power BI, etc. The factor that I was deciding on course, structure of course, topic of courses, and their their online videos, and main important topic is fees. The journey of Python Academy was really good experience. I was assisted with the team from management to technical. They are very supportive. Faculty was very good knowledge. They explain in very easy to understanding way. The material they provided was easy to understand and helpful. Also, they provide the projects and assignment after every sessions. It was helpful to get good knowledge and good experience. They suggest to us for our practicing hacker rank and lead code. Also use some projects from Kaggle for explore new things. I got good assistance from Anup sir. They always update me job requirements as per my requirement. I also update my resume on Naukri.com, Google, LinkedIn, and Indeed, and many more sites also. But I got placed in Trust Fintech from Python Academy. They helped me to build good CV and helped me potential interview questions also. My data analysis interview process was good. In interview, they want to check your basic skills, your technical abilities, and your field knowledge, your communication skill, your business understanding. But important factor was data analysis skills. That very much important. Do daily practice on basic Python, on hacker rank and lead code, and for hands-on experience you explore various data set from Kaggle also.